Cayenne pepper benefits are quite extraordinary. This wonderful little herb can help your body with so many things. Cayenne pepper is a very high source of vitamin C, A and B complexes, and is very rich in organic calcium and potassium. Speed up your metabolism with the health benefits of cayenne pepper. And lose weight by having more energy for burning body fat. What is cayenne pepper? Cayenne comes from red, hot chili peppers. It is also known as the African red pepper, American red pepper, Spanish pepper, bird pepper, or Guinea pepper as it is sometimes called in the United Kingdom. Cayenne pepper is actually one of the best natural herbs for weight loss. Capsaicin is the active ingredient in peppers like cayenne had been known to the native cultures of the tropical Americas for thousands of years. Native Americans that were located south of the Mexican border were consuming capsaicin as early as 700 BC. Capsaicin aids in speeding up your metabolism much faster than green tea. When cayenne pepper is taken on a regular basis or better yet daily basis, it can increase your metabolism, some say as much as 25%. Many people have no clue that the benefits of cayenne pepper can actually aid in weight loss. Now, don't get me wrong, yes, you will still have to maintain a healthy diet and exercise, but this wonderful herb will help a great deal. Fat burning. Fat burning or thermogenesis occurs to maintain the body's temperature. Fat is sacrificed to produce energy and heat. The central nervous system takes the dominant role in setting the rate of this process. Capsaicin in chili peppers like cayenne peppers can bind to receptors in the central nervous system, increasing thermogenesis at the rate at which the body burns fat. Seconds after ingesting it, you will feel more energetic, which is what you want, because the more energy you have the more you are on the go, and the more you burn body fat. Your heart is strengthened by you ingesting cayenne pepper, and will pump less, yet pump the same amount of blood, which means more energy for you. Cayenne drink. You must be prepared for some burning sensation if you prefer to consume cayenne pepper drink. Just 1 teaspoonful of this herb is enough for a glass of drink. Ideally you should consume just 1 glass a day, but you can increase the quantity up to 3 glasses a day. As mentioned above, it may cause burning sensation. It is better to increase the dosage as per your stamina and requirement. You must discontinue it if your body does not respond well to it. Evidence. Researchers from Laval University in Quebec investigated the effects of cayenne peppers on fat burning following the consumption of meals. The team, led by Dr. Yoshioka, compared the energy expenditure and rate of fat burning in volunteers who had consumed a control meal versus those who had consumed a meal containing the peppers. The results, published in the British Journal of Nutrition in 1998, showed that the peppers significantly increased thermogenesis. Cayenne pepper health benefits. Dr. Christopher is one of the leaders in American herbal medicine, has discovered that if you take cayenne pepper in a glass of water 3 times a day, you can cure a stomach ulcer. It has also been proven, if someone is having a heart attack, give them a cup of hot water with cayenne pepper in it, and their heart attack will stop within 3 minutes or less. I recommend taking cayenne in powder form and not capsule. The healing powers of cayenne start in your mouth, as soon as it touches your tongue. If you take it in capsule form, your tongue and stomach don't notice anything until the capsule bursts and apparently puts your body into a state of shock. This herb is truly a miraculous herb. There are many known health benefits of ingesting cayenne, including curing varicose veins, bad breath, and killing cancer cells in the body.